The digital world is changing rapidly, evolving in ways we could have never imagined just a few years ago. Cybersecurity is changing with it, adapting to new challenges and threats that emerge every day. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the heart of this transformation, driving innovation and efficiency. AI is making it easier to detect and respond to threats in real time, providing a level of speed and accuracy that was previously unattainable. However, it is also making attacks more sophisticated, as cybercriminals leverage AI to develop more complex and elusive methods. Cybersecurity professionals are using AI in many ways, from threat detection to incident response and beyond. They use it to analyze large amounts of data, sifting through information at incredible speeds to find anomalies and potential threats. This data can reveal hidden patterns and threats that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. AI can also automate tasks, such as routine monitoring and initial threat assessment, which frees up valuable time for human analysts. This allows human analysts to focus on more strategic work, such as developing new security protocols and responding to complex threats. AI is not a silver bullet, though. It is a powerful tool, but it must be used wisely and ethically. It is a tool that can be used for good or evil, depending on who wields it and for what purpose. Cybercriminals are also using AI to launch more sophisticated attacks, creating new challenges for defenders. This creates a cat-and-mouse game between attackers and defenders, with each side constantly evolving their tactics. The future of cybersecurity depends on AI as it continues to shape the landscape of digital defense. Understanding AI is essential to understanding the future of security, and those who master it will be at the forefront of this ever-changing field. AI is transforming how we detect and respond to cyber threats. Traditional security systems rely heavily on signatures, which are like fingerprints of known attacks. These systems can only detect threats that have been previously identified and catalogued. However, AI can detect attacks even without these signatures. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI looks for anomalies in network traffic or user behavior that could indicate a threat. This ability to identify unusual patterns makes AI incredibly effective in threat detection. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is particularly useful in this context. It enables systems to learn from data and improve their detection capabilities over time. Machine learning algorithms can process and analyze vast amounts of data at incredible speeds. They learn to identify patterns that indicate malicious activity, even if the specific threat is new. AI can also automate incident response, significantly speeding up the process of containing and mitigating threats. This automation is crucial in minimizing the damage caused by cyber attacks. AI can identify infected systems, quarantine them, and even assist in the remediation process, ensuring that systems are restored to their normal state quickly. The speed and accuracy of AI-powered systems are improving all the time, making them essential tools in the fight against increasingly sophisticated cybercriminals. As cyber threats continue to evolve, the role of AI in cybersecurity will only become more critical, helping organizations stay one step ahead of potential attackers. The same AI technologies that help defend against cyber attacks can also be used offensively. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics. They now use AI to make their attacks more effective. One growing threat is AI-powered phishing. AI can craft highly convincing phishing emails and websites. These can trick even vigilant users into giving up sensitive information. AI also enables the creation of deepfakes. Deepfakes are manipulated videos or audio recordings. They can be used to spread disinformation or manipulate public opinion. Automated attacks are becoming more common. AI can be used to scan for vulnerabilities and launch attacks without human intervention. This makes it easier for attackers to launch attacks at scale. The rise of AI in cybersecurity presents significant challenges for security teams. Staying ahead of AI-powered threats requires constant adaptation and innovation. Security professionals need to learn new skills. They need to understand AI and how to defend against it. Traditional security training is no longer sufficient. Security teams need to adopt new technologies. They need tools that can detect and respond to AI-powered attacks. This requires investment in research and development. Collaboration is essential. Security professionals need to share information and best practices. They need to work together to develop new solutions. Section 5. AI-driven solutions for enhanced cybersecurity. The good news is that AI is also being used to develop innovative solutions for cybersecurity. These solutions are helping organizations to stay one step ahead of cyber criminals. AI-powered phishing detection tools can analyze emails and websites for signs of phishing. These tools can learn to recognize phishing attempts that would fool traditional security systems. AI can also be used to detect and prevent fraud. AI algorithms can analyze transactions for suspicious activity. This helps financial institutions and other organizations to protect their customers from financial losses. AI-powered threat intelligence platforms provide organizations with up-to-date information about threats. This information can help organizations to proactively defend against attacks. Section 6. Explainable AI building trust and transparency. One challenge with AI is that it can be a black box. It is often difficult to understand how AI systems make decisions. This lack of transparency can make it difficult to trust AI-powered security solutions. Explainable AI, or XAI, is a field of research that aims to make AI more transparent. XAI techniques can provide insights into how AI systems work. This can help to build trust in AI-powered security solutions. XAI can also help to improve the accuracy of AI systems. By understanding how AI systems make decisions, security professionals can identify and correct errors. Section 7. The Human-AI Partnership, a synergistic approach. It is important to remember that AI is not a replacement for human expertise in cybersecurity. The most effective cybersecurity solutions involve a partnership between humans and AI. AI can automate tasks and provide insights. Human analysts can provide context, intuition, and critical thinking. This partnership allows organizations to leverage the strengths of both humans and AI. Security professionals need to be trained to work effectively with AI. They need to understand the capabilities and limitations of AI systems. Section 8. The future of AI in cybersecurity, trends and predictions. The field of AI is constantly evolving. The future of AI in cybersecurity is full of possibilities. One trend is the development of more sophisticated AI algorithms. These algorithms will be able to detect and respond to even more complex threats. Another trend is the increasing use of AI in cloud security. Cloud computing presents unique security challenges. AI can help to address these challenges. We can expect to see more collaboration between industry, academia, and governments in the field of AI and cybersecurity. Section 9. Conclusion. Navigating the evolving cybersecurity landscape. AI is transforming the cybersecurity landscape in unprecedented ways. It is not just a tool, but a game changer that is reshaping how we approach security. This transformation is creating both opportunities and challenges for businesses and individuals alike. On one hand, AI offers advanced capabilities to detect and mitigate threats. On the other hand, it introduces new complexities that require a deep understanding of its role in cybersecurity. For individuals and organizations aiming to stay ahead of the curve, grasping these nuances is essential. AI-powered solutions can significantly enhance an organization's security posture. These solutions are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data to identify potential threats that might go unnoticed by human analysts. They can automate routine tasks, improve threat detection accuracy, and speed up incident response times, making the overall security process more efficient and effective. However, it is important to remember that AI is not a silver bullet. While it offers many benefits, it also has limitations and can be vulnerable to sophisticated attacks. Cybercriminals are also leveraging AI to launch more sophisticated and targeted attacks, making it a double-edged sword in the cybersecurity arena. Therefore, the most effective approach to cybersecurity involves a combination of AI and human expertise. This hybrid approach ensures that the strengths of both can be utilized to their fullest potential. By embracing AI and staying informed about the latest trends and developments in cybersecurity, individuals and organizations can better navigate the evolving landscape and protect themselves from emerging cyber threats. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying secure in this dynamic environment.